Hi guys, I hope you're doing good. So my name is Sami. I'm an AI engineer based in Islamabad, Pakistan. I quickly wanted to show you around a tool that I created that's called AI Invoice Extractor. So let's run the code and see how it works. Okay, so we have the code running here, and this is how it looks like. This is just a simple prototype, so for you to see. And as you can see, Smart AI Invoice Extractor that's created by me. What I'm going to do is basically I'm going to it supports both PDF and images. So I am basically going to upload a PDF. This is how the PDF actually looks like. As you can see, it's basically an invoice, a dummy invoice for a prototype, and it has an item and its total amount, and it also shows the date and the ship mode. Let's say if I want to extract the information about the ship mode, right? And so basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to attach the PDF first, and then I'm going to write ship mode. That's here. I have a new field that I wanted to add, and if I want to remove any field, I would simply click here and would remove the field. And by looking at the PDF again, let's see the PDF again, sorry. Okay, so as you can see, this is the PDF, and I have the discount. And if I want to have a discount, I can also upload the discount, the total is, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so basically it takes about a few seconds to actually extract the entire text on an OCR, since this is a scan image. So as you can see, right now I have invoice number, I have the vendor name, I have the date, and I have total, and I also have the category, and I have ship mode as well, which is just added right now, and it's first class. Let's see how the OCR looks like. Okay, this is how the OCR actually looks like for the entire one single page PDF, the invoice that I had, and this is just the raw text, and these are the key fields in it that I extracted. And suppose I wanted to extract the key fields in an Excel, I would simply do it, but let's just compare if the results are accurate or not. Let's see if the results are accurate. I have the ship mode as the first class, as you can see here, and I have also the total amount, which is here 1129. So it extracted the entire text pretty accurate, and let's see if it can give me an Excel. Okay, so now I have an Excel sheet as well. I have the first name, invoice name, vendor name, tax amount, total amount, currency, and yeah, I mean I have a lot of things that I needed. The ship amount is first class, and let's say if I want to see in a CSV how it would look like in CSV, I would just open it up. I would simply go here, open with VS Code. This is how it looks like in a CSV. You see, it looks perfectly fine, and text amount and total amount, everything it extracted perfectly. We can basically just need to like have specific fields that we want to set in. We simply add them here. Like if I want, let's say, in total text money, total text, or like anything that I want, I simply add it here, and it would be here, and the AI would extract it and store it here in the as a column. So this is how it looks like from. You also have a nice interface with light theme and the dark theme that you can choose. It says my name here, obviously. So because I designed the entire tool, the front and back end entirely by myself. So if you need to have a specific or a custom AI invoice extractor, please let me know and we can work together and build an amazing tools like this together. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.